You can do it, put your back into it. Yes, I can do it, put your back into it. Do it. How does that song go? Anyway, you can do it, put your back into it. It's oil time. Let's go straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alrighty then. So I did a bit of analysis before and I said I expect more downside with oil to come because blah 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 blah. Not really. If you go back and watch my last, I said that the market is actually starting to break below key levels. We're starting to get lower peaks, lower troughs, and the market is starting to go down. And we actually got hammered almost 5% in one day again. Oil is getting hammered. Now, by the way, guys, Bo Polly actually said go short at $50. So he was absolutely spot on, woo, with his call. Really cool. He actually said 50 is going to be a cycle high. And look at him now. He's just flying to the moon. And now it's breaking below where we're at right now. A lot more downside to come. So you can see we've got this lower peak, lower peak, lower peak, and lower peak. And now the market's actually rolling down. Now, you can see if I go to USO, which is the ETF, which I like to trade, look what's happened on this one here. Ooh. And if I bring that trend line through there, look what's happened on this one here. Big volume spike with, and plus also, what did we get today? We get across a close below this level through here. Now, how, guys, that is so powerful. So powerful to see that, because for the last couple of times, let me bring up an arrow, a green, let's make it 5. You had that point through there, and you can see the market ran down, bounced off that level through there. Look at that stochastics, nice little turning point as well too. The market ran back up, came back down, that point through there, and that point through there. So, guys, looking at this arrow through here, for it to close below that level is actually quite significant. It actually held up yesterday and the day before. It actually held on that line, but then we broke below it. Came up, we closed that gap through there, and we came down, closed below it. So, guys, this is actually quite weak, and I'm expecting a lot more downward move. Bo Polly actually said we're expecting a lot more downside. Now, what I do, guys, is I don't take anyone's opinion. If Harry Dent or Peter Schiff or Dollar Vigilante or Bo Polly, they all have their cycle and they have all their theories and blah, 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 blah. But if I ain't seen it on the charts, it ain't happening in my view. It ain't happening in my world, right? So yes, I listen to a lot of different people because I think they're very smart. There's so many smart people out there that I listen to keep myself educated about the market. But I will not and do not take a trade based on what they say. If I can hear what they say and then I see something like, hey, a lower peak and lower peak and now another lower peak and we're starting to head down. That to me is like, it's like simple analysis. So guys, oil, very weak. Oil got hammered almost 5% in one day down. I'm expecting a lot more downside to come, and maybe this is also going to drag the market down because this has been going up. This has been going up with the stock market. It's coming down now. Is the stock market going to come down with it? What do you think, guys? Let me know what you think. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course. And I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.